Hello guys, welcome to Product Creatives. In this video, we are going to discuss the 6 most powerful air pistol in the world. Be ready to learn about the 6 most powerful air pistol in the world, what makes these air pistols exceptional, where and how to use them. As always, all the links to the recommended most powerful air pistol in the world have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Regardless of your intended purpose, finding the most powerful air pistol goes a long way to satiate your love and fun for shooting. Pistols come in different shapes, sizes and types, and there are plenty on the market. However, it is super important that you acquire the right design accompanied by power, accuracy, user-friendliness and excellent overall performance. Fortunately, after an extensive research, I aggregated a list of the top 6 air pistols you might want to try out for your next shooting outing. In number 1, Amorex Legends M712 Blowback Automatic .177 caliber BB gun air pistol. The Legends M712 air pistol is one of the most functional air pistols with 12-gram carbon dioxide cartridge. The pistol operates by a blowback mechanism with no slide, featured on many firearms. The blowback action can switch to both semi-auto and full auto modes depending on what results you want to get. The Legends M712 air pistol is full of metal for durable functionality. It serves both BB and pellet ammos, a feature that distinguishes it from the rest of the pack. If your love for single-shot firearms is pronounced, then you won't be disappointed in the Legends M712 that not only delivers single-action performance, but also offers excellent accuracy, average shot count and easy BB loading. The frame is sturdy and authentic. The plastic grips are inscribed between properly shaped wood grain effect. Although the air pistol shoots a variety of pellets and BBs, use of Amorex steel BBs is recommended for the best accuracy and performance. The reported velocity for this pistol stands at 360 FPS when used within temperature recommendations. So expect a drop of these speeds in mild temperatures or even higher velocities in warmer surroundings. Pros include solid and well-sized, consistent accuracy, manual safety settings. Cons are low shot count per fill, loading BBs take time. Overall, it offers great value for money, great consistency, and you will love the semi and full auto hype. Number 2. Crosman CC P8B2 Vigilante Carbon dioxide powered .177 caliber pellet. Another best air pistol to hang on is the Crosman CC P8B2 Vigilante. The air pistol shoots hard and over desirable distance, going up to 40+ feet while keeping all shots accurate. It is perhaps the reason why the air pistol has sold as the best seller in 5 different years. Shooting is fun with CC-P8B2 Vigilante thanks to the single or double action. Plus, you have the 10-shot pellet repeater, 6-AD BB repeater, and the revolver mechanism combining to deliver a fast-paced shooting performance. As with other models of air pistols, you have the option of pellets or BBs, whatever you enjoy using. But sometimes BBs ricochet, so you likely need to have protective glassware to neutralize potential hazards. The air pistol depicts a metal frame with only the barrel and rails plastic made. This gives it a long-lasting functionality as well as the proper feel shooting enthusiast wants to see in a weapon. The airgun also provides users with a solid grasp, courtesy of the synthetic textured grip with finger grooves. Are you having issues with the rear sight? You can add extra laser or flashlight on the handy Weaver accessory rail. Pros include single action and double action mechanism. It's affordable. It has adjustable rear sight. Its cons include blowback action lacking, unreliable carbon dioxide seal. Overall, the air pistol provides value for money and depicts great overall performance. In number 3, Crosman 2240 bolt action carbon dioxide pellet pistol .22 caliber. Coming in as a .22 caliber, Crosman 2240 bolt action delivers all-purpose shooting for beginners and intermediate shooters. For small game and pest control, the 460 FPS fired by the powerful air piston is more than enough to take down squirrels or avian any day. The handle or grip is ambidextrous, solid, and ergonomically designed for a tight hold. One area of concern for shooters is cocking. Nonetheless, this mini machine boasts easy cocking effort and it's simple to load your BBs or pellets. You have an efficient rear sight which is also adjustable, but a few reports indicate this accessory poses a few challenges when you want it in play. Its pros include: it is easy to load, it has a solid grip, the rifled steel barrel. Its cons include a bit loud when in use, fiddly rear sight. Overall, a good weapon for a beginning shooting enthusiast. Number 4. Benjamin Trail NP Break Barrel Air Pistol .177. Perhaps you are after the best air pistol in terms of the break barrel design and a high-powered performance. Benjamin Trail NP Break Barrel .177 may make that cut. The air pistol is a single-shot design that must be cocked each time to fire a pellet. The gun delivers maximum speeds of 6.5 feet per second, which is ideal for pest control and small game hunting. The nitro piston technology used to power the machine is efficient, produces less noise, and makes it safe for the gun to stay for long periods when cocked. With just 25 pounds required for cocking, this is a go for easy-to-use weapon at your disposal. The fixed fiber optic front sight and rear sights are advantageous for better results. Most air pistols of the same level don't offer such functionality. Pros include smooth cocking, does well in cold weather, can be left cocked for a long time. Its cons include only one pellet can be fired each time. Overall, the pistol is one of its kind when talking about break barrel air pistols. Number 5. Amarex XBG .177 caliber BB gun air pistol. If your intentions are getting a compact and lightweight frame, then Amarex XGB .177 caliber comes as a great option. XBG .177 may not be the most powerful air pistol in the world, but still makes the cut. That's why many shooters, both experienced and newbies, have come to like it, as indicated on Amazon and other online stores. There are hundreds of positive feedbacks and reviews on this air pistol. Everything seems to have been set right with XBG, from the polymeric grip for comfort grasp to the double action feature and the front and rear sights. It is a weapon worth your hard-earned bucks. Its pros include great rating by other users, it is very quiet, it has a compact design and lightweight footprint. Its cons include it's only set for BBs. Overall, the air pistol is your go-to option for the BB air pistols. Number 6. Crosman P1377 American Classic Multi-Pump .177 caliber Pneumatic Pellet Air Pistol. Crosman P1377 is a modern-day design air pistol for many outdoor fashionistas. It fires a respectable 600 FPS with 10 pumps. You will love the blade front sight and the adjustable rear sight for homing into your target with less doubts whether you will hit it or not. As you can see, the air pistol bears a unique look for a classic American air pistol. That aside, the machine allows for easy operation, thanks to the well-made grip with a thumb pressed. Holding the pistol is easy, solid and firm. The gun can cover up as a good weapon for practicing shots, blinking, popping paper targets, hitting spinners, and more. Pros include it is sleek and modern, it has decent power, it comes with great weight. Its cons include it has cheap stock sights and plastic material for frame design. Overall, it's a great classic design for the modern shooter. I know you enjoyed this video on the most powerful air pistol in the world, didn't you? I'll be happy if you can like this video and share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until next time, take care.